especially in Candi Kuning Market. So yeah, let's have a break from a long drive from Sanur, and here it take us around 1.5 hours. So yeah, let's buy something, like
Yeah, let's
snacks
say,
or something.
let's buy some snack or something like this.
They have
Yes.
strawberries. So this market, especially famous for strawberries, chips, and peanuts. So nice. I was just thinking to buy little snacks because it's very nice weather today, and it's really good, to have a walk. Buy some fruits, like what he said.
That's the ice fruit.
So yeah,
Corn, no
let's see.
corn, hot corn.
Corn, they sell corn. Yeah, so
Yeah,
it's good.
including plastic bag.
Strawberries, nice. Strawberry and chips and everything.
Corn, hot corn.
Hot.
Okay, can try.
Some strawberries. So yeah, Bedugul area is famous for strawberry farms, and also because of the weather and then the climate in the highland, and also famous for the fresh vegetables. We will see later on inside, but first of all, let's see, buy little snack.
Alright, so Winnie is trying to find some snack for us. As you can see, this is one of the biggest market in Bedugul area. This is the middle central of Bali, if you are not familiar. That's how it looks, the situation. Behind me is the gate to the market. We will show also going there, but meanwhile that's how it looks from the street. Actually, even if you are drive, you can come here and stop the car, buy strawberries, some chips, and go again to the North Bali, let's say Bali Singaraja, stuff like this.
I just want to have a try. So they said that this is a very special fruit. Napi ini Bu? Buah napi?
Yes.
Buah salju. They call it snow fruit. Snow fruit and ice fruit. That's open.
Yeah.
So let's see what is inside. Oh, it's white. It's just like the snowflakes. And then they said like, the trees only make the fruit once a year. Let's try. Sweet and it's like a cotton candy.
Nice.
So yeah, I decide to buy kacang bungkus. This one the peanut, and then
And some
another
krupuk,
chip,
like,
kerupuk.
I don't know, I ate last time something like this one or this one. I forgot which one was better. Maybe this one.
Yang ini kasava Bang eh?
Ya, ini ada Mbak. Panas. Jagung mau. Jagungnya berapa Mbak eh? Jagung 5.20. Kalau satunya 5.000 tapi jamin manis ya. Coba boleh.
And then this also famous for the corn. Maybe I will buy one. You wanna have a corn?
No, I don't like corn lah.
Aku aja dah Pak. Yuk, terima kasih.
Thank you.
Let's go.
So Sayang bought some goodies already. We'll eat. By the way, here is the plants. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera wrong. So the plants, stuff like this. Many things over here. How's your corn, honey?
How good.
And that's how it looks inside the market. As you can see, this is the parking area. One side you can buy kind of plants. Inside the market you buy the fruit, veg, stuff like this. Here also sections of the chips and snacks. Of course, strawberries everywhere. But here inside, this is the lovely fruit and veg. Any kind of fruit and veg is fresh because they are growing in this area mostly, right?
Yeah, like I told you, Bedugul area is very famous for the fresh fruit and vegetables. As you see, like easily they just sell it like fruit, fresh one, like this one, green vegetables. So yeah, and as you see that broccoli, they also grows very well here. And this one for the salad.
Everything, actually, literally everything. What you can find in Bali, you can find in this market.
So
Very nice.
whenever if you are heading to the North Bali, it's really worth to visit the Candi Kuning market and buy some fresh fruit and veg. Just like this lady just cleaning the cat.
Very nice.
Very nice. Halo, Bu. Yeah.
Ini organik ini Bu.
Oh, organic. So she said this is organic.
Also the guy here for the kids. Very nice. That's how it looks. And our chimney. And honey with the corn.
Alright, so after buying a small snack and I'm already hungry, I wanna buy bakso today for my lunch.
And I will show you right now how it looks situation. You can buy a lot of bakso and stuff like this just next to the lake, like this one, and the road, just like this. Show you now. As you can see, it's quite a lot. It's just the section where you can buy the mostly bakso over here. So this is the main road. You can go by this road to North Bali and South Bali. We are in the center, and here is the mostly the bakso area. Bakso and miyayam.
So good.
Very nice. Are you excited, honey? Yeah. You must be hungry already, yeah? Check this out, so many. And over there is the brand new road, and the plan is as I will fly a drone over there. So I found this place, this one, lucky winner, because well, so many around, and that's how it looks, the situation. I wanna show you this one, is super cool. And also there is the temple Ulun, Danu, Beratan. If you're interested how it looks, the situation over here.
Alright, so I choose one bakso salad. Look at behind. So they are eating, facing with the lake. Oh my god, this is so good. Local life.
Local life, very local life in Bedugul Central
And let's see how
Bali.
the bakso seller making my bakso.
Oh, very nice.
So good. Yum. Si telur ya. Bakso.
This is the bakso balls, eggs. Very nice. And the soup.
So yum. Copot.
And kerupuk, beautiful box.
Apa sih? Selamat makan.
Smacznego.
Oh, sendok.
Smacznego, honey.
Selamat, thank you.
And this is house to eat this on the street. Here is the street, sitting like this on the road and facing the beautiful lake. All right. Honey, what do you have? I just noticed that. I wanted to say, as we just arrived to the strawberry farm, and check this out, you have already baskets.
Yes, so now we will pick up strawberries. Like we told you before, Bedugul is famous for strawberries farm. So
Check this
today
out,
we will
so
have
many.
a kind of picking up strawberries with the farmers.
That's so cool. Check this out. We have so many strawberries in Poland, in Europe, but looks different little bit. I mean, yeah, check this out. Beautiful temple at the front. This is like a village over here. It's a quite big field. Like I said, in Poland we have strawberries, but they are like growing different form. I mean, the same strawberries, but in different plantation. I don't know how to say.
This one already ripe.
Very nice. Just try it. First strawberry from the field. Must be so good, yeah?
Fresh.
Check this out. Strawberries. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Check this out. It's quite difficult to record this to show you, but it's so beautiful. Ooh, check this out. This
Nice.
one. Very nice. Sweet. Very nice. The taste the same like in Poland actually. The same, just the way how they grow is different.
Do you know that strawberry is a very, very high in vitamin C? It's so good.
Honey, how do you know that? Did you read on Google? That's nice.
That's why I come here.
That's so nice. Very nice, honey. Very nice indeed.
It.
Very nice, honey. But your basket is still almost empty, honey.
Because I keep eating.
You have to.
Look. All right. So now we are in a farm, special farm.
Oh,
Look at
nice.
these.
What's that?
Tomato cherry.
very nice.
It's harvesting time. We are so lucky that we are here, so all we can harvest. Oh.
Tomato, paprika, many things.
Tapi Niki mantan bu.
Yang merah tapi yang kuning agak murahan.
Oh cantik. So lucky. Oh wow. All right, she's so nice. He give me for free this one.
Oh,
Thank
very
you so much,
nice.
Ibu. So whenever you come to North Bali, just it's really worth visit to a farm here. All right, so I asked her where did she bring the tomatoes and all the vegetables, because nowadays the hotels are closed, so only restaurant. She said that she sent it some to the market, and also she sent it to some of the suppliers like restaurants. Satu kilo. Ada yang dua apa lagi satu? So good. So I've got it 1 kg. It's just 50k. Fresh from the farmer. Yang mana Niki dados dipetik? Yang merah-merah?
Iya.
Niki?
Tahu habis dipetik yang merah.
That's the chili farm.
Ya dapat aja gininya.
Check this out. That's the big chilies.
Oh, can
Still green,
Ke 10 hari tuh nanti.
but they red here also. Oh, check this out.
This one. You see? In the market I could pay this one for 50k, but here just 30k.
Yang ini
Yeah.
Nice. So, if you ever wonder how's the chili farm, that's how it looks like. Oh, this one must be very spicy. How's your chili?
Oh my god. Lady hot. I'm a hot lady. So nice.
So beautiful chilies. Woo!
Woohoo. So happy.
This one, if it's like this shape, must be very spicy.
So I talked to him do you sell it to the market or you have to send it to another supplier? And he explained to me he is the supplier of La Brisa. You know La Brisa, that a famous restaurant in Canggu. So yeah, I'm
Yeah.
so lucky that I come here,
So that's also means it's very good quality over
Very
here.
good
Because the La
quality.
Brisa is taking really care about the quality of the products. Very nice, very nice. But as you can see, beautiful chili.
All right.
Are you happy from the-
This is how our day in Bedugul. I'm super happy. The fresh air. I'm already eating bakso, shopping, picking up strawberry, picking up chilli. Oh my goodness, this is a very good experience.
Okay,
Talk to the
honey.
farmers and everything. Sorry, I just talk.
Demonstrate how you eat chili then. This is, I was just wondering what you're gonna say. Okay guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. Like always, something new tomorrow. See ya, take care.
Bye.